What's going on, guys? Derek here from Dose of VT. Happy to bring you another video. This time I got the Microsoft Surface Pro. So Microsoft has a bunch of different tablet type computer stuff in their lineup. This is just one of them. So the reason why I went with this one is just because I was looking for something that was cheap, because the person I'm getting it for isn't going to do anything intensively insane with this device. Like, they're literally probably just going to do crafting stuff and just browsing the web. Nothing insane, nothing outrageous. So as you can see on the back, right down here, if you guys can see it, it's just the 10th gen i3 processor, only 128 gigabytes and 4 gigabytes of RAM. So nothing outrageous. I wasn't looking for anything crazy. When I went to buy this, I was looking for the cheapest option. When I bought this, it was like $600, so it was the cheapest one at the time. So I wasn't looking to do something insane for this person. Like, they just need something to do, something simple that they like to do every now and again when they have free time. But the best part of buying what I bought, depending on the Microsoft that you buy, is it also comes with this cover. So when you're looking to buy something like this, a lot of the time it's just the actual like tablet. It doesn't come with a keyboard. So make sure you look for the bundle if you're looking for the keyboard, because it is an extra cost to buy this. I think these retail for like $130. Like, these aren't cheap. Maybe $100, somewhere around that range. So buying it with it, you kind of save a little bit of money. Then also you can get a pen too. But the option that I bought didn't come with the pen because I couldn't buy anyone that had the pen. So just keep that in mind when you go and buy these. So this one's nothing insane. They have different sizes and stuff like that. This one is like the 12.7 inch, I believe. They have like a 10.5, which was too small. Then they have like their normal laptops. So actually I believe this is like 12.3, something like that. Then they have like their normal laptops, like the 14, 15, whatever. But this is the one I decided to go with. This is the one I really liked. It's portable, it's simple, nothing complex. The keyboard's nice and easy to use. Granted, it does sit up on the lip a little bit, like right here. This is where the keyboard would butt up to. So it's kind of elevated for those people that like elevated keyboards. To me, it doesn't really make a difference, but I know it's a difference when I use it. But the main part, let's open this puppy up. So technically I've already opened it because I wanted to look at it before I unbox it to you guys. But this is what it is. Nothing crazy here. You got a camera up front, then we will work our way around. So there's nothing too much on this side. You got a headphone jack, then your little finger holder to pull this back, as you guys saw in the picture, your stand. As you make your way up top here, you got your power button, volume switches. Then on this side, which is cool, you got a USB Type-C, just a regular USB Type-A port. Then this is your lovely charging port, which obviously that's unique to Microsoft, is they have the unique charger, which kind of sucks that you can't charge it with anything else, but that's what you use. Then on the bottom here, you just have your pin connector, kind of like iPads, where it'll stick to this and then it'll read it and know a keyboard's connected. Then if we make our way to the back, you also got a camera back here. Then I'll show you guys the stand. It tilts all the way up so you can have it at different heights and stuff. Then down here, this is your micro SIM card slot, so if you wanted to do expandable storage or anything like that, that's where you would put it. Nothing crazy around the borders. They have air vents and stuff like that for like heat and all that jazz, as you guys can see right there. But that's basically the tablet, nice and simple, nothing crazy. We'll show you the charger here. So this is just the one side of the charger, nice and simple and black. Then this is the charging cable, so it's kind of unique. Nothing like this else on the market. But charging brick, not too bad, nice and simple, compact, not very heavy, anything like that. Just documentation, nothing else in the box. Then this is the keyboard. So as I said earlier, you can buy the keyboard in multiple different colors. Like, there's like a reddish color, there's like a silver, there's a blue, there's black. and I think that's it. I might be missing one, but basically you can customize what you want. I just went with black just because you know, stuff gets dirty over time, so I wanted something that looked pretty good. But that's pretty much it, guys. Just a simple unboxing, nothing crazy. But come back, watch another video on what I think about this later on after using it for a while, or at least for the person I bought it for. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.